Pakistan.
Zindabad!
You need to come to Pakistan.
The Pashtun people? Oh, the Pashtun people. That's where
They take care of you. They take care of you the best.
That's the most.
Lift pakela duralu.
वो अमल दरामद हो उन चीज़ों पे जो हमारे एंसेस्टर्स करते आ रहे हैं, आबा व अजदाद करते आ रहे हैं.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ज़ैम आबिद जानो तासु गोरे शुमाल न्यूज़.com कतुन को रागले मलम जबेता दलत के द नेशनल जियोग्राफिक टीम रागले दे हवे दलत किस एक्टिविटीज वकली او इवेंट पके शो तपोस को चदवी पस मकसद बानी रागली दी खलको तदवी सफायदा वर रसोलाओ जमुन दे खलको तवी सफायदा वर जमुन सरा द कैमरे पस्तर गो से. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Assalamu alaikum.
Say वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Wa alaikum salam.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Chad Keel, and I'm a survival instructor from California. And this man.
I'm Reza Alabakshi, a survival instructor as well.
And who are they?
And this is I am Carter Hafif, also from California.
So first of all, what was the main theme that you came to Malam Jaban, especially to Sawat?
We came to Sawat in Malam Jaba to teach primitive survival skills to the people here. This is our third year teaching these skills here in Pakistan, and we're very excited to come here. And the people here are very hospitable, and these are great people. So if you're thinking of traveling somewhere in the world, you should travel here to Sawat in KPK and visit these people, and you'll have a fantastic time.
Okay. So what was the reaction of the people?
They're very excited. They're very excited for us to be here, and we're very excited to be with them.
Okay. So are you praying for the Pakistan? Are you wishing?
I hope that more people come to visit Pakistan, and I hope that we're opening the doors for more foreign tourists to come here and support Pakistan.
Okay. So we'll ask another question
Yes,
from Riza.
yeah.
Hi Riza.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, good.
Okay. So what you have done?
Right now we made friction fire to demonstrate how to create fire just rubbing two sticks together.
So is it helpful for us in future? What you have done?
I think that these skills are very helpful for everyone because this is our shared humanity. Everyone did this around the world, and I think it brings people together.
Okay. How people treat you?
People have treated us spectacular in Pakistan. This is some of the best hospitality I've ever had. I've traveled all around the world, and not many times do I go to a place more than once. However, I was very enthralled by Pakistan and knew I needed to come back. Last year, we taught the classes in Gilgit-Baltistan, and afterwards we traveled to Sawat. We were invited to see the area. Chad and I fell in love with it, and we agreed that this year we had to have our classes in Sawat.
Okay. So would you like to give any special message for other foreigners?
Yes, of course. When I go back home, I tell everyone to come to Pakistan, that it's a great place, and I just want everyone to experience the natural treasures that Pakistan has, because it's not just Pakistan's, it's the world's.
Okay, what's about Pashtun people?
The Pashtun people? Oh, the Pashtun people, that's where...
They take care of you. They take care of you the best.
That's the most incredible hospitality from the Pashtun people,
Okay.
yes.
The comes in Ragali, the team Sasurasali.
जी पिशावर नारागली पिशावर की तर्जमा और मंग टूरिज्म वाले हर मतलब बारह इलादीश लराजू हर काली मुंगजू टूर को स्नोफॉल को खैर उन्हें शोमंग दोर से टूरम इंशाल्लाह नन रोज बाखिन पेमेंट को इन बाद बा जुबिया मरी तबजू आलता बको और डेर नाइस ज़ेरे ज़बरदस्त ज़ेरे और
हाँ सही स्टार्स बक सरोलो
जी बस मुंगा लिफ्ट pakela duralu. او مرګورو یو بل باندې سنوفالینګ کو یو بل پیوښتل ډېر انجوای مالم جبا ډېر خزه دي.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
How are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Okay, first of all, introduce yourself to the people of Pakistan.
Okay, my name's Claire Roberts. I'm from Wales in the UK. I'm a cycle tourer. I travel by bicycle. I cycled here from the United Kingdom, and it's my second time in Pakistan. It's my first time in Swat. It's very beautiful. I really like it so far. Yep.
Okay. Oh, how is the people of Sawat?
Very friendly, yeah, very friendly and inquisitive. And I've had a very warm welcome, yeah.
Okay. Did you enjoy this event?
Yes, yeah. So far I'm enjoying it very much, yeah. There's some really lovely people on the course with me.
Okay.
And
So, what was the reason and what was the main theme of this event?
okay, so I travel on my own. I'm a solo traveller most of the time. I do a lot of camping. So the event will teach us some survival skills if we didn't have a tent or if we didn't have a fire, so that we can, survive in the wild.
So, Pakistan is famous for a lot of terrorism, crimes, and something else. So, is it right? Is it true? Tell to the people who are who didn't visit Pakistan.
Yeah, no, I haven't found it to be true at all. I've found the people of Pakistan to be very peace-loving people, extremely friendly and very welcoming and hospitable.
Okay. So, Pakistan.
Zindabad! Shukriya.
Sasunum.
زمانم افضل دی افضل خان
افضل خاندار ته وای دا دومره غټ ایونت تاسو کو خلک تاسو ناسو مقصد څه د دې
د دې ایونت مقصد بیسیکوم دا د سروایوال سکیل به خلکو ته ښیي که فرض کړ څه مسله راله وایلډرنس کې به سروایو کوی به څنګه هغې کې به اوسېږي څنګه خلک بهر ځایونو ته لاړ شي خلک چکر لاړ شي خدا نخواسته څه مسله راشي څه دغه راشي تاسو نور ته هم ښولی شئ په فلم یې زده کولی شئ چې هغې انوایرمنټ کې به تاسو سروایو کوئ څنګه او تاسو څنګه به تاسو لکه دلته اوس موږ لږ ساعت مخکې د اور بلول چلو خو د لرګي نه د هغې نه پس به راته مخکې دا اوس ایونټ بالکل سټارټ د دې پس به راته مخکې ښیي ټریکینګ چل به راته ښیي ډفرنټ ایریاز به ټریک کوئ څنګه اوور نایټ سټے به څنګه ټینټس به څنګه لګو وغیرہ 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 دغه موږ ته بیسک سروایوال سکلز ښیي
السلام علیکم
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
आपका नाम
जहरा शालवानी।
अच्छा हमने देखा कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ हो गई
जी।
और मालम जबा में आई थिंक इससे पहले इतना कोई बड़ा इवेंट नहीं हुआ है
नहीं हुआ है।
तो आप क्या समझते हो कि ये किस बेस पे हुआ है इसका मेन थीम क्या था
देखिए पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स की तरफ से वैसे तो आपके स्कीइंग फेस्टिवल्स तो होते आ रहे हैं मालम जब्बा में, लेकिन ये जो प्रोग्राम है ये बहुत मुख्तलिफ है क्योंकि ये पहली बात तो ये कि जो बाहर के जो हमारे लोग हैं और जो पाकिस्तान के लोग हैं उनको एक पेज पे लाना है, सही है, कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग करनी है। दूसरा ये कि जिस तरह से क्लाइमेट चेंज और उसके जो नेगेटिव असरात हम देखते हैं अपनी दुनिया में अपनी हर रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में, उसमें बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम वो सारे जो ना वो अमल दरामद हों उन चीज़ों पे जो हमारे एंसेस्टर्स करते आ रहे हैं, आबा व अजदाद करते आ रहे हैं, वो चीज़ हम खोते चले जा रहे हैं। तो वो जो स्किल्स हैं, जो सर्वाइवल स्किल्स जो उन्होंने मतलब इस्तेमाल किए थे वो हमने सीखने और हमें आने चाहिए और हमने अपने बच्चों को भी सिखानी है ये सारी स्किल।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam.
हाउ आर यू
Great.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Who are you?
My name is Carter Hafif, and I'm a photographer, survival enthusiast, enjoying Pakistan.
Okay. We heard that you are from National Geographic.
Not entirely true, but we're hoping to work with them pretty soon here, and yeah, hopefully they'll pick up on what we're doing, and they'll be more involved next time we come out, because it seems like something that they would really eat up. There's something that they would enjoy and sponsor. So.
What you have given to the people and what you have gained from the people?
Yeah, I have gained a lot of humility. I have gained a lot of respect for you guys living here, and I've never been to Pakistan before, so getting to meet everybody and seeing your beautiful country has been amazing for me.
Okay, Pakistan is famous for crimes, terrorism, and something else. So, will you clear it to those who are
Yes.
getting us terrorists and they are calling us terrorists? So, what do you want to say to them?
I say you need to come to Pakistan because I haven't seen any of what the media is portraying as terrorism or any sort of thing like that. If anything, the people are even nicer and more hospitable than in my home country. Like I feel more comfortable hanging out with you guys than I do some people at home. So if that says anything, I don't know. Travel Pakistan, right?
Katun ko taso da غیر ملکی خلکو خبرې هم واورېدې، د دې ملک د خلکو خبرې هم واورېدې، د پښتنو خبرې هم واورېدې او د هرې ژبې د خلکو خبرې واورېدې. کیمرمین شهزاد خان سره د یو بل پروګرام لپاره خپل کوربه عابد جان له اجازه راکوي. د لوی الله پامان.